We're joined now by Dr. Kevin Wagner, the director of the Oklahoma Water Resources Center here at OSU. Kevin, last week on Sunup, we saw a research project that has been underway for a while now on well water in Oklahoma. And you and your team are looking to expand that project in Oklahoma. Let's talk about that effort and what's underway.
You bet. Well, we're really excited about this new well owner education program that we're about to kick off in a big way. We spent a little bit of time over the last year piloting this program and seeing what tweaks we needed to make to it, and we're ready to really kick it off. So really the main components of the project or the program are to provide some free or low-cost well testing to people that depend on their private wells for drinking water. And it's not real testing, it's really screening. So one of the things that we always tell the homeowners is if we get a positive hit for nitrates or for bacteria, the first thing you want to do is go get it retested. But we also want to start giving the homeowners some tools on what they can do to address some of those issues that we find.
And you have been studying this for quite a while, really since you got to Oklahoma and did some initial surveys to determine where this ranked in priorities for Oklahomans.
Right. So back in 2018, we did a statewide survey of, what are the biggest issues that citizens of Oklahoma are concerned about related to water, and drinking water quality was their number one concern. So since then, since 2018, I've been working to find some ways that we can address those issues and those concerns.
So you all have piloted this for a while in some certain areas of Oklahoma. Mm-hmm. What did that involve?
So we've been able to work with the students from the Environmental Science Program and the Rural Renewal Initiative to carry this out probably in 5 or 6 counties in western Oklahoma, central and western Oklahoma so far. And so the students have really worked closely with the county educators in those counties to carry out the program. So they'll go to the counties, work with the county educators to advertise the program. Then when homeowners brought the water samples in, they did the testing of those. And then the evening after we've done the testing, we deliver the results back to the homeowners through a short 30-minute to 1-hour education program, just to talk to the homeowners on how to interpret the results, and if they've got a positive, like I said earlier, then what are some actions that they can take to improve or protect their water.
And I'm sure it's a case-by-case plan based on what those screening results are.
It is. Some things are more difficult to address. Like if you have bacteria, you need to do some things to probably chlorinate or decontaminate your well. If it's nitrate, then you probably need to install, a water treatment system to help remove that. So over the next year, we're going to be putting together hopefully some short videos on water quality as well as treatment methods that a homeowner can employ.
And this is all part of a grant, right? So you got to make sure the funding is here and then you can implement it more widely.
Right, and the grant is all focused on human health. And so, that's a major focus of what we're going to be doing is to ensure the quality of the water from those homeowners. And most homeowners probably don't recognize that, really their water quality is their responsibility. If you're on a public system, there's rules and regulations in place to make sure that the water quality is maintained at a high level. But if you're on a private well, it's up to you to maintain those. So, part of our job is just getting the word out about that they need to be testing it, and, if they need to treat it, we want to provide some assistance to them on that. And then the other piece is, just educating them and making them more aware of water quality.
Well, sure. Lots of wells in Oklahoma, of course, and that One Health initiative that deals with lots of aspects of health, human health and animal health, is super important to the citizens of our state. Well, thanks for telling us a little bit about this project as it starts to unfold. We'll be glad to catch up with you more and see how things are going.
Sounds great.
All right. Thanks a lot, Kevin. And to learn more about what's going on at the Oklahoma Water Resources Center, we have a link for you at sunup.okstate.edu.